Hello everyone, this printer is HP Smart Tank 5108. What I want to do is to show you how to reset the network if there's any problem with the wireless network or the Wi-Fi is switched off. What I want to do is to show you how to reset the network, and also we're going to reconnect the printer and also show you how to reset the printer to factory default setting. So to reset the network, you need to press and hold the information button for 5 seconds. Then after that, you need to press the Wi-Fi and cancel button for 5 seconds. So press and hold the information button for 5 seconds until the control panel button lights up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The light is up, then you release it, then press the cancel and Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you release it. The Wi-Fi button is now flashing intermittently. What that means is the printer is in a wireless mode. So this is how to reset the network. What we need to do now is reconnect the printer to Wi-Fi network, then show you how to restore factory default setting. So to connect this printer, what you need to do is you need to install HP Smart app on your mobile phone. Go on top and select plus from HP Smart app. It will ask you choose a printer. Then you select set up a new printer. Then select Wi-Fi network connection. Then select continue. Select continue. And the printer is found. Smart Tank 5100 series. Select on it. Connecting to the printer. Then it asks you, would you like your phone to help connect this? I'm going to select no so that I can put the password by myself. So I'm going to select no. Then it will show you the network available. So I'm going to put the password. I have the details here. You get the password from the back of your network router. So I'm going to put the details. Then after you put the details, then you select continue. Select continue. Press the flashing information button, then you press and release this information button once. The printer is found. Wi-Fi light is now steady. The printer is actually connected, but you need to wait for the process to complete on the mobile phone. So this printer is connected to the network. Printer is connected. Then you select continue. Then you select exit. Then you go back to the app. It will show you the device. It will show you the printer. So if you go back to the HP app, it will show you the printer. This is the printer, HP Smart Tank. And this is the printer here. Now what I want us to do is to show you how to restore factory default setting to this printer. So to do a factory reset for this printer, what you need to do is you need to switch off the printer, switch it off. So the printer is switched off. You can see there's no light on the control panel. Now what you need to do is to put this printer in a factory default setting, you need to press copy black button and resume button. Then at the same time, turn the power on and continue to hold the copy and resume button for 5 seconds. So press the copy black button and resume button together. Then the next thing to do is you need to press the power on button, then release it and continue to hold the resume and black copy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you release it. So the printer is now reset. Now you can see that the Wi-Fi light still flashing intermittently. What that means is the printer need to be connected back to the network. So this is how to reset the printer to factory default setting, and the light is still flashing here. So the light that is showing here right now is for you to connect the printer to a Wi-Fi network. So this is how to reset this printer to a factory default setting. The whole light will be highlighting for you to reconnect the printer to a network. Thank you very much indeed.